Hey friends, if you encounter the error your system is running low on virtual memory on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So here's what you have to do. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Now go to the advanced section and then under virtual memory click on change. Okay, uncheck this box automatically manage paging size for all drives, and then go to custom size and then make it a very high size, the recommended size rather. So I'll keep it as 2847 and the maximum one will be the same, and I'll just click on OK, and then I'll click on apply. OK, and then I will have to restart the computer because this will not apply till I restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.